Choo 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 choo. All right, all right, all right. I'm ready. Let's do it.
All right. Oh, tiny.
Okay.
Okay.
I know that brand.
This is the Gerber something.
Gerber, whatever. I think you just take the bottle, you open the bottle.
Guess it's just a lever type of opener.
So it looks like there's an on button. So let me press that. Oh, it's a light!
Why is there a power button? Okay, there's a light.
Oh, it lights up too. Okay. 2 for 1. Boom, boom.
Can't see where your bottle is, where your lid is. Gotta shh.
No, we're not sponsored.
Let's see.
I think this is how you do it. Am I doing it right?
And then you just go.
No, not bad.
Oh, ooh, sounds juicy.
I feel like I don't have enough grip.
I give up, help me.
I don't have grip. Oh, you put your finger here, there's rubber on it. Ooh, yeah, it works. It works really well.
It's not bad. Very carryable, I guess. Just that it feels a little rigid when opening, but overall good.
If you can actually use this, I mean, it looks cool. I don't have any problem with it. It's just, I had problems with it. Oh, we're gonna set that aside.
What is this for? Oh, you attach it somewhere. Yeah. Wait, what? Am I doing this right? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, now it's cool. Oh, I get it. Yo, this is nice. I like this. It takes no space at all. Like you're traveling or something. I mean, it's not like, oh my God, I need a bottle opener. But you know, sometimes, oh my God, I need a bottle opener. Yeah, I like this thing. Choo, 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 choo. Thumbs up. I like it.
And the reveal.
Oh.
All right.
Phew. It's like Christmas. Okay.
Oh, that seems like multifunctional.
It has instructions.
It says it can open a can and a bottle and
Tuna cans? What?
And twisty caps and soda cans.
And that is exactly what
That's
I'm
exactly
here
what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Okay.
I'm guessing this is, I get it. Because sometimes it's hard to open this way. So you have like a lever now.
That was easy. I like this. So far, I'm sold.
Right? Right?
oh, that was easy.
Am I doing this right?
Shove the end thingy. So the tab here goes into the end thing.
Wait, you open it. Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh, you heard that. Ooh. Oh,
Oh, it's flipped over and then it goes into the, okay.
it's gonna, did you shake it? Okay, I like that so far.
That's quite easy, but taking off the cap,
Oh, it's stuck.
not so much. Oops.
That was really easy, although I will say it feels kind of pointless because I can just use my hands for that
I think there's a hole here.
and have done it in the exact same amount of time.
If you have a hard time opening cans and bottles, this does it for you.
So there's a little gap here where you can actually pry the can, but I cannot.
Like this. Oh, did you shake it? Ooh. Yo, that's easy.
I know it's about the same speed or even faster to just do it with your hand for these two products, but if you have mobility issues, this could be like a real game changer for you.
Somebody that has like really long nails, then I guess it would be useful.
Me personally, I don't have a use for it, but if you have long nails, which I don't, I guess it's hard to open cans. Doesn't take that much space. Hey, what's up, guys? I don't know. I wouldn't buy it.
This is the first thing I've done on this show where I'm like, yeah, I'd actually like legitimately buy this.
Deal or no deal?
I deal this.
Is there more?
And there you go. Box number 3.
Oh,
Oh, it looks like a thing you hang on a wall, I think, I gather.
Are those magnets? Oh, I get it. You put it on like a...
So bottle opener, I think you put like the bottle thing in, then you do the ch, and then it psh. Is that basically what it does?
oh, it's magnetized. So you probably put it on a fridge.
Oh, there's a fridge outside.
Oh, you put it on the fridge? All right, let's go.
Wow, that was a hard, firm, magnetic grip.
All right, so you just go... Oh, Lee, it's actually... Oh my God, this is strong. Look. Whew.
Yeah.
So it's pretty strong.
Oh, jeez, I'm gonna break. Oh! Oh! Look at that!
Wait, what? Oh, oh, this is cool.
It's magnetic! I love it. This is great.
Is that meant to happen?
Oh, so the cap sticks. Okay, I didn't have to hold it.
Extra feature.
That's great.
Wait, so you open it and it goes, whoa, this is nice.
Yep.
It just drops and it, yo,
Good design.
I like that. Cheers to that.
But yeah, I'd rate this like 10 out of 10. Very impressed with it.
I would personally probably not buy this though because I would be afraid that it would scratch the fridge.
Choo, 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 choo.
Oh, another multifunctional bottle opener, cap opener.
You squeeze the bottle and you open? What kind of bottle do you have here?
A jar of
Jar.
sliced pickles.
Okay, I get it. Yeah, okay. Shit, am I gonna break it?
Oh, there you go. That was easy.
Yo, it's a glass table. Okay, yeah, I won't do that. Wait, how do you open? Like that, okay.
The Tangy dill pickle jar.
Should I open this?
Oh! Yo, this is cool. This is good.
Still a struggle for me.
Damn. Smells so good.
Okay, so normally what I do at home is I just hit the can.
I feel like if I go like that, it's gonna splash everywhere. And if I go like that, it's gonna splash everywhere.
And then try opening it.
Okay, I got it.
Just a knife would do. Do you have a bread knife, like a butter knife?
I think my mom would like that.
Okay, so tip. Take the blunt edge of the knife and then hit it strong.
Do we have more? Oh, okay.
And that makes a few dents on the jar, so you just
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it would work. Oh,
release the air from the jar and it pops open. There you go.
I kind of halfway opened it, but yeah, here we go. It's cool. It actually works super well and it barely took any force.
Not bad. I guess it doesn't work on old jars, but it worked pretty well on this one, so pretty great.
We can't return them to the store. No, I'm just kidding. All right.
Oh,
All right, what is this?
I'm actually not so sure. It looks like a wine glass.
Oh, it's a mug.
Looks like a wine glass or something.
And there's like a, what the hell?
Do we pop in the wine? No?
It's missing a piece. Oh, it's on here.
Is this supposed to open?
All right, what do I do? I'm so confused.
Looks like not very efficient because it's only like half useful. There's like extra space down here.
You can't do anything from this side. What is this?
Wait, what? That's...
Oh,
Oh, there we go.
Ooh, yo, this is nice. Okay, all right. People that like wine are gonna get pissed because this is plastic, and I don't think you're supposed to drink wine in plastic, but you know what? It's Monday morning. Yo, Taylor, check this out. I think this is your new favorite thing, right? I don't know. What do you think this is?
It is a tumbler for your wine.
Okay, here you go. You got it.
Oh, I'm an alcoholic.
Can you figure out how it works?
The screw thing, it uncorks your wine bottle that you happen to be carrying with you.
What do you mean? It's right there.
All right. Should I just open this?
I was saying, let Taylor do this because she probably has more experience than I do.
Obviously has done this before.
I'm older than all of you.
Yo, this is harsh. It cuts you almost.
There you go. So I'm kind of afraid to break the plastic because this looks a little,
I feel like if I pull this, it's gonna break.
but it's rigid enough. Still very tight. I like the classic wine opener when you don't really have to spend much effort.
You know the big ones, you put it in and then you have like a lever and you go like pop. Okay guys, obviously you can tell that I don't know what I'm doing.
How many bottles of alcohol did you buy?
What do you mean? We don't drink here.
Can I actually drink?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, I think I got it. Oh my god, like that doesn't look solid at all, right? Is that
You need
supposed
a
to
fire
be easy?
So looks like somebody already screwed this one in to the top for me.
Very easy to use. A+.
Guess I'll just do the easy part here.
Doesn't require any effort.
Oh my god. That was loud.
Wait, but isn't this supposed to be, what's the material called?
I don't think this is an actual cork, so it might be the bottle.
Cork?
Yeah, cork.
All right. I guess I got some free wine. See if this actually holds.
Because that's plastic, that's rubber.
Very nice.
This is if you know you have alcohol problems. It gives you hope that you can drink and then you realize you can't drink.
Do I drink on camera? No, no.
You are, or you can be like.
And then you just don't drink. It works. You get your anger out in a different way.
I wouldn't give this to an alcoholic.
Is there more? I'm sick of this thing. Maybe for someone that has experience opening bottles is a good product.
All right, I'll see you guys next week. I think this product's really cool, very portable. Can have wine on the go wherever.
I usually don't open wine bottles, so.
If this was $5 and didn't have the corkscrew thing, because the corkscrew is clever, but it looks like garbage. But
It looks cool, it's just.
But if it didn't have the corkscrew, I'd be down for it.
If it were definitely easier, maybe.
Except this thing's not very secure because it could just pop right up. And you can't really have a lot of wine. It only stores like half the amount.
Although this design is sweet.
Other than that, it looks really cool.
Wine that you can take with you on the go and no one knows the difference.
You can pretend it's cranberry juice and just take wine with you everywhere.
Who knows? Public intoxication, got nothing on me.
All right, I'm taking this with me. Are you guys ready for the next product?
Yes.
What crappy Christmas present are we opening now?
All right, let's do it.
And we do have one more final product for you.
I'll let you open.
I am the...
Oh.
Okay.
I know what this is.
So it looks like one of those box cutters.
It seems like it opens glass bottles and then shoots the cap out somehow.
Are these instructions? Okay, I should follow these. So step 1, pull thing. Oh, oh God, no. Oh, do I press this down? And
No, you don't. It's step 1, I think you just.
you slide it back, right? You click it into action like a gun.
Then you just open it, like a normal bottle opener.
No, okay.
Ooh. It didn't take my cap in.
Hey. Oh, snap.
But let's test the shooting. Load? Ah. Oh, I should put it there. Okay.
Not at the lights, okay, I'm gone.
Where am I gonna shoot this?
Peace out. Wait, I want to try this as well. It sounds. So that's the opener right there. So easy. Here you go.
And do I just press the button? Oh, yeah. There we go.
Oh my.
See who can.
Oh, it worked. Yo, this is nice.
Is that the target?
Yeah, this way. You're.
I think.
Yeah, jam.
Wanna know what I call
I
this?
rigged it.
Rigging.
Were you aiming at the cap?
No. This is fun.
Is it something that you would buy?
Probably if I had drank more fizzy drinks, but I don't really, so.
But wait, there's more. Wait, you opened it?
Yeah.
So it worked?
Yeah.
So you're saying I was the problem?
Yeah, you guys loosened it for me.
Wait, but did you just open it like I
Yeah,
was
you just
trying?
pop.
Ricky, you god.
Okay.
And this one's free.
Oh, man.